how do you intend to raise money? How do you intend to make money? And that is what this section is going to be pretty much breaking down to you, and the businesses that can do what they can help you to make that money with with pure understand with. I'm going to mention, in as much as I told us that we have businesses, that we are going to talking about three businesses. I'll be taking my time to talk about four businesses, right? To give you additional tip. Now, the first business that I'll be talking about is trade, buying and selling, arbitrage, online arbitrage. What does online arbitrage means? Thanks so much, Jimmy, watching from the USA. Awesome, awesome. What does online arbitrage means? What is that business model that can help you buy and sell online, that can convert your money to goods to service? And I will be mentioning just a few of these businesses that has to do with online arbitrage. What does arbitrage means? Arbitrage just simply means exchange. You exchange your money for something and you exchange that thing back to money. So take for instance, when I started my e-commerce business, I bought goods, put it online, and they made money back. Simply online sales, right? So you want to look at what products are highly that are less competitive or highly demanded in Nigeria if you want to do those digital arbitrage. One of these products are products as a result that is doing well is because of the industry, products under the transportation business. The transportation business is a business on its own that can help you make money, but you don't really need to be in the transportation business, because there's a lot in the transportation business and freight business to challenge the you have to face the stress of managing driver, face the stress of petroleum fluctuations, face the stress of what's it called? Face the stress of maintenance and a number of stuff. But do you know that you can plug into the transport business through arbitrage? You buy and sell transportable goods, transportation goods like vehicles. People are really making a lot of money in 2026 on this. They do transportation arbitrage. And another beautiful thing about this, let me first talk about the way the business works. Most people in Nigeria don't buy foreign used cars anymore because of the cost of purchase, right? After the commencement, after the whole naira to dollar hype or increase, the exchange rate, the devaluation of naira, people don't longer buy goods foreign use that much, unlike the way they used to buy it, like a Toyota Corolla 1.8. Then about 4 years ago, 5 years ago, was selling for 1.8 million. But now that's for US used vehicles or foreign used vehicles. Now, if you want to get that vehicle as a Nigerian use that is working well, is selling for 5 million naira. What used to be sold for 1.8 million foreign use, and that means Nigerian use will be selling for like 1.5 or 1.3 million. Now, the Nigerian use that is still manageable is selling for 5 million, 4.8, 4.5 million. When it's going lesser than 4 million, you know that there's something wrong with the vehicle. You see, buying and selling of cars, doing cars arbitrage, is a business that will always do well in Nigeria, especially if you are selling the well-known brand. So for this business, you may need, if you're not in Nigeria or you are in you can partner with somebody in Nigeria that is doing it. You may just need a minimum capital of, let's say, 6 million naira, depending on the kind of vehicle. But I would advise you going for just going for a Toyota product, because that's when you put it in the market today. In 1 week, you will get what you will get offers, and you can even sell it out within 24 hours. There's a vehicle I bought some times back and I wanted to sell it, and I put it in the market. Within 24 hours, I started getting requests. people started requesting for these vehicles. And then after like 3 days, 4 days, I sold the car, right? So doing vehicle or car arbitrage is something that can make you money. A lot of people don't know this, but then you have to be very careful ensuring that the vehicles you can get, now these vehicles are Nigerian used vehicles. So depending, you can start with 6 million, you can start with 5 million, you can start with 4 million. And then you all you want to do is you want to sell, you want to work on turnover and not max profit for just one single sale. So take for instance, you buy a car, Nigerian used vehicle for 5 million naira, 4 million naira, and then you sell it for, let me use an instance, 4 million naira. You buy it for 4 million naira, then you sell it for 5 million naira, or you sell it for 4.5 million naira, you make 500,000. Or you sell it for 4 million naira, you fix some things with like 250K, and then sell it for 4.8 million naira. You can make 800 to 1.5 million on a monthly basis, or even 2 million on a monthly basis, depending on your capital. And so if you have 4 million, 5 million, 7 million, the bigger your capital, the bigger the number of vehicles you can buy. But don't go beyond the highly sold product, which is Toyota. Toyota is a very well popular brand that when you put in the market today, is going to do what? It's going to make you're going to get people start bidding for your product. But if you put in other vehicles like Nissan and Hyundai, you will close sales, but the request won't be as much as that of Toyota. Now, that's in the area of online arbitrage. I can start talking about other products that you can sell in the online arbitrage. You can sell fashionable products in the online arbitrage. You use the same model. You buy at a lesser rate and then you sell at a more at a more um at an higher price, right? So an example of fashionable product that can help you make money online is there's several fashionable products, right? Because Nigeria has a population of over 200 million, and the people online is fast growing because the majority of people that are majority of Nigerian population are the youths, and majority of these youths are online. By 2050, the population, according to statistics, will get to over 300 million, and then people will start buying. I believe that period is going to be a lot of huge opportunity for both the government and entrepreneurs, right, in Nigeria who are smart.